Hey everyone, it's Joe Burgess. Welcome back to the channel. This is kind of a part two of the one I left off on the showing you guys that little diag I did with the Braun multi-attachment light. Now just the final part where I'm actually just finalizing the bill here. So work hasn't been done yet, but we're getting a price here, and I'm just finalizing everything here. So basically we got everything all itemized over here as far as parts are concerned, and it looks like it's going to need two lines. One's about to go, one is gone, and they're rotted, so we got that all priced out. Now we got it in motion, so we're just drawing up the bill, and we came up with $250.18 was a whole shoot nail with the labor. We're going. I usually go about $60 an hour on my side work, and so we're giving them a little break because they're friends of family. So that's how the bill ended up like that. But usually it's 60 an hour. So it's probably an hour, maybe an hour and a little bit more. So we'll see what happens. So once this is all finalized, the pots are in, we're good to go. So all right, guys. Thought I'd give you a little quick one on the me just showing you where I was at, making the phone calls, pricing the pots, and we give the customer the information of the bill. So work doesn't start until until that's all approved. So we were just discussing it. We just discussed it a little bit, and we just gotta see where we're gonna go from there. So we'll get things going here, guys. So all right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little short video, and I'll see you guys all again. And once again, thank you so much for my subscribers. All 25 of you guys all know who you are. I appreciate it. I appreciate the support. Thank you so much, guys. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take it easy, guys. See ya.